Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about our stub alerts. A lot of people have been asking what are the stub alerts, what do they do, why do we use them, and so we're going to be covering that in today's video. So very simply, the stub alerts do all the analysis and research for you. So they're telling you exactly which events will be profitable. We have a team of experts that put together these alerts, and they're doing hours and hours of research, sometimes even days, on every location, every artist, every venue. So you don't have to do any of that evaluation and guessing and any of that. All that is done for you. So they also tell you the dates of the pre-sales, so you know exactly when to buy. We're going to be talking about the pre-sale codes as well. So the pre-sale codes get us in days before anyone else and at a discounted price. So that's why they're so great. They give us a large advantage over anyone else. And I actually did a whole video just on the pre-sale codes, and I went more in depth about them. So you can click that link down below. It's a video I did a little while ago talking about just the pre-sale codes. But very simply, they get us in before anyone else, discounted price. So they're very good and help us a lot in this business because we want the most profit we can get, and getting them at a discounted price is very helpful. The alerts are very easy to follow. They usually give at least a day or two of advance notice before the actual day that they go on pre-sale, and you have a lot of time to buy the tickets. It's not like the second the pre-sale finally starts, you have to be right at your computer or phone. I've actually purchased, several hours after, even sometimes the next day if I was on vacation or something. So you don't have to be right at your phone or computer the second they come out. Lots of advance notice. As far as receiving the alerts, you actually get them by email, and you'll also see them in your members area in your back office. So you'll never miss the alerts. Um, even if you don't get the alerts right away in your email, like I said, they give advance notice. So even if you don't see them until the day after, um, you don't actually have to worry about that as well. You get 30 days of free alerts with our Ticket Broker Gold level. That's our most popular program, as you know. And if you wanted to continue to receive the alerts after that 30 days, there's a little fee for that, but no obligations or contracts. You can easily start or stop anytime. But you do get 30 days of free alerts with the gold level. So that's pretty much it regarding the alerts. You can learn more on our website. You can click the link down below. And if you have any questions at all, you can leave a comment, anything like that. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss whenever I put out a new video. So thank you very much. I hope you got something out of this, and take care. Bye-bye.